have another question from a Nora Lynn Keaton. The very best place to find exotic, rare, organic, non-GMO, non-hybrid, etc.? Question mark. And the very best pest control.
Okay, so the first part is pretty much like whenever I'm looking for any sort of seed and I come across a new seed company, I'll use the internet and I'll Google on just a search engine. Like for instance, you want to find out if Territorial Seed Company is any relation to Monsanto. I'll Google Territorial Seed Company and Monsanto, and anything associated with them will come up, and there's been a lot of people that have done the research, and that's the best way to avoid any Monsanto companies. You'll find some, like what happened is Monsanto's been buying up seed companies, and Seminis is one of the largest seed companies, so that's where all these seed companies are scrambling to try and get away from Seminis, because that's where all the seeds are coming from. But best bet is to follow that and see if you can avoid any sort of Monsanto. Like Johnny's isn't Monsanto owned, and they're trying to phase out all the Seminis brand seeds, so they're dedicated to making out and doing away with all the Monsanto seeds.